This is a brief video on how to set up the Intex ZX50 automatic pool cleaner. Take out all the parts from the box and check with the manual that you have all of the parts listed. Remove the suction outlet strainer grids from the strainer connectors. Attach the hose adapter to the water outlet strainer connector. Attach the strainer hole plug to the other water outlet strainer connector hole. Screw the hose collar nut to one end of the hose. On the other end of the hose, attach the foam float and then screw on the other nut. Assemble brush with brush support as shown. Press the clip-on brush support and press into the slot. Install the other brush support. Flip over the pool cleaner. Take the hose with foam float end and screw it clockwise onto pool vacuum. Hold auto cleaner and lower it into the pool. Hold the hose vertically and slowly submerge hose into water to remove the trapped air. Attach the other end of the hose to the hose adapter. When water begins flowing into the filter pump, open the air release valve on top of the filter pump cartridge. Close air release valve. Turn on the filter pump. For the best performance of the pool cleaner, if you have a cartridge filter pump for your pool, remove the filter prior to cleaning. Reinstall filter cartridge when cleaning is complete. If you have a sand filter pump for your pool, switch the pump's 4- or 6-way valve to recirculate function. When the cleaning is complete, switch the valve back to filter function. To clean the pool cleaner, turn off the filter pump. Lift the hose slowly and take out the pool cleaner. Unscrew the hose collar nut. Flip over the pool cleaner. Push the left and right levers to the unlock position. Remove the debris net from cleaner base and use a garden hose to wash the debris off. Reassemble the pool cleaner debris net and the base. Replace cover and push levers to lock position. Screw on hose collar nut and place back into the pool to continue cleaning. Before getting in the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.